Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sage and I think this is one of my first videos. So I just wanted to let everyone know who I am. I am 26 years old. I am now a travel nurse, LPN or RPN, whichever one, depending where you are. And I'm originally from Toronto, Ontario, which is in Canada, for those of you that don't know. Right now, I'm currently on my first travel nurse assignment, which is out in British Columbia on Vancouver Island. I am located out in Port Hardy, which is north of the island. A very small town, approximately like 4,000 people here, and I'm currently doing my assignment at a long-term care. So far, I love it. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm super excited. One of the things that got me into travel nursing is the fact that you get to move around and do your job, and you kind of don't feel as burnt out because you're doing your job, you're getting paid adequately for the job that you're doing, and you can take as much of a break as you want, or you can go as long as you want. But point is, you get to have a little bit more control of your time as a travel nurse, and I highly encourage everyone to get involved now. Currently where I am, they do a combination of both 8 hours and 12-hour shifts. So far I've done a 12, and I actually went in today for a 5-hour shift. I was called in, but my next few shifts, I think I have an 8-hour, and then the rest are 12s. But yeah, that's a little short background story, me and what I'm doing right now. Because this is my first assignment, I did want to show you guys where they put me. So with a travel assignment, they usually pay for your accommodation. That includes your stay. If you need to drive, they pay for your car, or they pay for your taxi, whichever one. For my contract, I don't have any stipends. However, I have the home accommodation. They paid for my flight here, and they'll be paying for my flight to go back. I'm only less than a 10-minute walk away. So what I've been doing is, well, today was my first day that I walked to work, but the first day I ended up taking a cab to work because it was really dark and I didn't want to walk in the dark because there's a lot of bush out here, so it made me a little nervous. When I was coming home, it was dark as well, so I got a ride to the grocery store, and then I got a cab back home. I actually want to show you guys where I'm at. It's a decent apartment. This is my little tour. I'm gonna show you the bathroom first. Come on. No, okay, I lied. Let's show you the room first. This is the bedroom. Okay, a lot of space there, and that's my little travel ring light there. This is one of my huge suitcases that I brought, and inside is a closet. I have my jackets hung up there. Honestly, it gets really hot in these jackets. I think I picked the wrong choices. I have my hat there. These are extra pillows. This is my work backpack. They have linens and stuff up there as well. These are my sheets, my pillowcases, and this is my blanket, my throw here, and this is their blanket that I washed before I used, and now put it over mine because it was kind of cold my first night here. I have my little Bible there on the nightstand, and that is their lamp and nightstand. My laptop and stuff here. I put all my products here. These are all my vitamins. You really need your vitamins, especially for those night shifts, guys. Vitamin D. This is gonna be for me to sleep before my night shift. If you guys know how to prep for a night shift, please let me know, because your girl don't sleep during the day. So my plan for my night shift was to just overdose on these, because I love this Red Bull and the red one. So good. Next up, hey, is the bathroom. I don't know why my purse is in here, but this is the bathroom. Towel and things. Brought my mini stuff, my toothpaste and all of that. Put my hair stuff over there. I brought makeup and stuff, but honestly, I brought it for filming purposes because there's literally not much to do out here. This is all my hair products. Don't mind my brush, it's really dirty, but in here I got a lot of edge control. This is my blow dryer here because I planned on taking out my braids while I'm here, looking kind of dusty, and washing my hair. I brought all my stuff. I'll get back to you guys about that. Yeah, this is my bath. The shower. I brought my wash stuff, and I brought my own soap. For this one, this assignment in particular, they told us that we needed to bring disposable items. So like soap, dish soap, paper towel, toilet paper, all that stuff. So I didn't pack paper towel and all that stuff, or dish soap, or garbage bags. Actually, I lied. I did pack garbage bags, but I packed the ones that I already had. Dish soap, when I got here, I was lucky that I guess there was some left over. So I've been using that until it's running out. Then I will go and buy more. Toilet paper, I went and bought yesterday because there was only one roll. So this is the doorway. I have my boots there because it rains a lot here. The plan was to bring this bag with me every time I went to the grocery store. Didn't exactly happen, so I'll bring it next time. And then here is the closet with a broom, and we have my shoes there. And this is the house rules on there. So this is apartment. What I do like is that they have leather couches because it's easy to wipe down. I don't really mind that. They're not the cutest, but hey, they're hella comfy. I knocked out last night, I'm not gonna lie. And they have a cute little TV. I tried to watch it last night, but I did not set up my Netflix, and I didn't set up my Prime. I don't even know how to log out of this other person's Netflix. And yeah, there's just spare space here. That's the Wi-Fi box. And then if you go over here, that's a little dining area, and there's a little mirror there, and then you walk in, and this is the kitchen. And you got upgraded stove, microwave, appliances. Don't mind this mess. I was going to make dinner. So these are my cups that I brought from home. This is my water bottle. I probably should have left this behind because unless I go and buy a filter, I'm probably not drinking the tap water. Just not doing it. And like, I don't care to buy a bunch of plastic water bottles. I wasn't trying to do all that, but I need water. Anyway, this is my cute little Starbucks cup that I bought and I brought with me. I brought this J cloth, and I bought some of these, but like I said, some people did leave some things behind, and they left two of those behind, but I did bring my own as well. And then this paper towel roll was also left behind, but I also went and bought a couple more. So in my fridge yesterday, I went grocery shopping, and this is what I picked up. That's some fried fish that my dad fried for me. So pretty empty. And then this is my freezer. I bought that stuff. I brought this stuff with me as well, just some crackers and stuff. In here, this is all my stuff. I bought the rotini and the lime tortilla chips. I swear, those are like the best ones. I thought the jalapeno ones were good, but actually they're both pretty fire. Anyway, so I brought these just in case I felt lazy and I didn't want to make anything. I also brought popcorn because I was gonna watch some movies, and I'll probably do that tonight. I tried this honey for this first time. I'm not gonna hold you, not a fan, but whatever. We're gonna make a shake. I brought this almond butter. I was supposed to buy the silk yogurt, but I did not see it in that grocery store. I only saw the coconut flavor. I'll go back at some point and see what they got. I also brought some salt with me, some chia seeds, because I make like my fruit parfaits and stuff like that. These are some oats and stuff, and I brought my Jamaican teas. This is the peppermint tea. This is the stuff to make the passion tea from Starbucks. The olive oil, and this stuff is theirs. Bought a bit more seasoning because there just wasn't enough. They also have a coffee maker here, but they have one at work as well, so I don't really use this one. They also have a blender in the back. I might use it, might not. I'm still deciding. This is the paper towel I bought. That's the pink garbage bags that I have. And I honestly end up saving the plastic bags that I got from the grocery store to pretty much use as garbage for the bathroom and like out here. They come with appliances and stuff. The ones that I washed, I kind of put it over there. I did bring a few of my own stuff, but these are the pans and stuff. I personally suggest that you get some boiling hot water and some vinegar, and then you let them soak for a little, and then you can wash them again before you use them. I don't plan on using their cups because I brought my own. I also brought my own fork. The spoon is theirs, and obviously they're nice and stuff. I'll have to use as well. But yeah, you kind of just use your discretion. You clean thoroughly because a lot of people come in and out, especially now that it's COVID time. That's my little place, and I think it's super cute. Yeah, so that was my little accommodation tour. I think for me with this assignment, it was mostly about me saving money. So I think here's my little tip. This is just my first assignment, so but this is just my little tip. So far, I feel like it matches my goal perfectly, because if my goal is trying to save money, it wouldn't make sense for me to be in somewhere like a bigger city like Vancouver, because I'm gonna do the same thing I was doing at home, spending money, going out to shop, going out to eat. Even though there's restrictions right now because of COVID, I was finding a way before, I'll find a way after, you know? Little things help. I have my Amazon account, but I can't use it because I can order something off Amazon right now to where I'm at, but I'm not gonna get it for like another 2 weeks. So it deters me from even wanting to order anything, right? Also, I'm in a town where like their downtown has a dollar store, an AMW, a Subway, a grocery store. There is a nail salon, and I'm thinking about going. There's a Rexall, which is like a Shoppers Drug Mart. What's an American equivalent? Walgreens, maybe? I don't know. Don't quote me. Like I said, there's not much to do out here. So even if you do something, you won't be spending that much money. Like this area, I can tell you in the summertime, it's probably amazing. There's probably so much outdoor activities out here. And honestly, BC in the summertime is very beautiful. At least in Vancouver when I was there this summer, I really loved it. Even in the winter, it's really not that bad, okay? Because just let's put things into perspective. Where I'm from in Toronto, it's really cold. When I was leaving, it was minus 15 degrees Celsius. It's cold. It's cold. When I got here, I knew it was snowing, but they don't normally get snow here. And the amount of snow that they got, I'm just like, we got this like 5 times over the Christmas holiday. And like it was nothing basically like compared to what I'm used to, but I understand they're not used to having snow, so this was a big deal. But when I got here, like it was 6-7 degrees Celsius, which makes a big difference in weather, because that's pretty much cold for them out here, which I can tolerate. I really can. It's not no big heavy winter jackets. It's just like put on a light jacket, maybe a heavier sweater, and go outside. Love that for me. I really do. That's the main reason why I was okay with coming out here. It is a quiet place. It's still in BC, which is where I want to do my first assignment. On top of that, I think the saving money aspect. I'm not spending as much money, and I'm making way more money. So my saving goals should not be behind at all. I made a budget before I came here. I haven't gotten my first paycheck yet to gauge what I'll be getting. With the agency that I'm with, they pay weekly. So I submit my timesheet every week and they pay us. So that's exciting. It is. Also for me, there's so much like with this facility that I'm at, I already got called in. This was my second shift, and my first shift was orientation. I already got called in, so I'm already on like doing the job. I'm already making more hours than anticipated. Like I said, that was the goal. So for me, when you're picking an assignment, I think the best thing to do is for you to decide like, what's your goal on the assignment? Is your goal to like learn more? Is your goal to save more? Is your goal just to like explore your area that you're going to do an assignment in? What's your goal? And then kind of make a plan so that you can stay on track. Because before I came here, I probably did the math on the amount of hours and the amount of money that I'd be making like 10 million times. And just to make sure that I can crunch what I need to crunch and pay what I need to pay. Because like I have a goal that I want to get rid of all my debt by the end of the second quarter, which is June. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. But I think I can do it. I think I can do it, and I'm confident that I will, especially if I keep going at it.